So I have my pack of mung beans here. Today I'm using green mung beans. I'm going to use the entire pack just so you all would understand how much. I'll use a measuring cup. So I'll tell you guys exactly how much is in this pack. So that's 1 cup. And 2 cups. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to soak my mung beans. So I'm just going to fill this with some water until it covers the entire thing. Like that. You don't have to do anything. Just make sure it's all soaked in there. And with a tight lid. So choose a container with a tight lid. And then you can just rest it on your counter. And leave it overnight. Right? So I can use it in wraps, I can use it to make quesadillas, I can use it to as a replacement for roti, things like that. Hi guys, so my beans have been soaking and there's a lot of gas coming out of it. You see all these bubbles? You can actually see it. But anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rinse this out. So I'm using 2 cups of mung bean, soaked mung beans. It has to be soaked already, so it's already doubled in size. I'm gonna add 1 cup of oats, some garlic, pimentos, and a handful of fresh herbs of your choice. I'm also adding black pepper, paprika, and salt. And to this I'm going to add 1 cup of water first. So I'll add just enough water. I'll keep adding water until I get that consistency I'm looking for. Okay, so I have 1 cup of water and I'm going to blend it and see how much more water I have to add afterwards. Okay, so it did not blend properly. I have 1 more cup of water, but I'm not going to add all. I'll just add like a little and then just keep blending it to get that the consistency of a pancake batter. So thick-ish, but not too thick, not too runny either. So it's really blended nicely, but I think it needs just a tiny bit of water again. So in all, I think I used like 1.5 cups of water, but you still continue to use a little at a time. So I have some fresh herbs here. I'm gonna just add it, and I'm gonna just pulse this just a few times because I feel like just seeing a little bit of chunky herbs in my wrap, so I don't want to blend it too much. So this is just a little bit of coconut oil. I'm gonna just spread just a little bit at the bottom of my pan, my non-stick pan. I'm gonna get a really nice scoop of this. So you can see that those nice chunky pieces of herbs in there. That's what I wanted. Okay, so now I'm gonna just pour this. And just slightly spread it. Perfect, but I still find that it came out a little. Oops, oopsie. What did it do? I'm sorry. Okay, so I just find that it came out a little bit too thick, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Maybe like half a cup of water. What happens is oats usually
like, share, and subscribe. Bye.